Hello you guys, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, in this video I am going to share with you on how to categorize when the customer calls and she or he mentioned that if she or he can visit the store within an hour. Okay, so we will listen to this call.
Thank you for calling. McKenna Volkswagen is Brian in sales. How can I help you?
Hi. What time is your close?
Today we close at 7. Our last appointment is at 6.
Okay, like your last appointment to...
Okay, during this time you have to continue to listen the conversation because sometimes the calls is for what we call this one, it's call for a service department, not for a sales department, so you have to continue to listen the calls. Let's continue.
to be able to come in and look at the car?
Correct.
Okay, during that time when the call or when the other line or the customer or prospect customer said that he or she wants to see a car, so you can definitely make sure that it's for the sales department. So this one would be incorrect if you're going to choose this one. Another one is no new visit was discussed. So this would be incorrect because the customer or the prospect customer asked already regarding the car. Okay, let's continue.
Oh, really?
Tomorrow
okay.
sales opens at 9 a.m.
Oh, okay. Okay, so you're not, like, you can't just walk up to your lot and look? No?
Or you
Conversation, you can make it sure that the customer asked for if she can visit the store or the dealership. Okay, so this one is wrong, it's already wrong, and this one is wrong. So this could be a possible requested but no mention, no agreement. So we will continue first. What would be the correct answer? Okay,
we just do close the gates at 7 p.m.
Okay. Okay. I'm sorry. Okay, I don't really understand. So there is somebody that will be able to help me with the car, or there isn't? Like on
Okay,
the
what
lot?
time will you be here?
Well, I was just, I could be here, like 5 minutes.
Okay, sounds good.
okay, so that time you can make sure what's the correct answer. Okay, this one is wrong, this one is wrong, and this would be the possible answer, but the caller said that she will be in at 5 minutes. So this one is, so this one would be the correct answer. Okay, and we will submit.
Thank you for calling Liberty Auto City. This is Diana.
Okay, that's for also in this video. That would be my tips that I can share with you to maximize your earning here in Humanatic. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again on my next video. Probably I will upload every day 10 samples for every category, or maybe this week I'm going to make a video, sample videos every day, 10 sample for the dealership visit. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please click like and subscribe. Bye for now.